Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In today's topic, I'll be explaining to you about data table. So first of all, what is data table? It's a very important option which Excel has given. Data table is nothing but it makes it easy to test one or two variables from a formula. And a good example for data table would be your PMT functions, which we have want to calculate the different loan amount and interest rate, and to calculate the loan amount for home mortgage loan. So let us see our sample data. This is my sample data. You can download this sample data from the description given below. As you can see, my this is the interest rate 12%. Year of the loan is 5 years, and loan amount is I've said is 1 lakh. So what will be the monthly payment and what will be the rate? So according to that, we will have to calculate. So first of all, I'll calculate my rate of interest. That is the every month, for every year, how much money I have to pay for my home loan. So for example, let's calculate over here. Let's give yourself pointer here. The formula to use is equal to PMT, that is principal amount. So let's write down here equal to PMT, that is principal amount, bracket open. Click on C4, that is your 12%, divided by 12 because in a year there are 12 months, comma, C5, that is number of years, that is 5, that you multiply with 12, that is month, comma, and minus because this is the amount which you have to pay, no? 1 lakh. So that's why I'm writing minus and write down Tiger C6. You can type it also or you can click also. Close the bracket, enter. So this is the rate of interest according to 12%, 5 years, 1 lakh. This is the rate of interest. The same amount what you see over here, that should be reflected over here also, monthly payment. So we just keep a cell pointer here. Again, you don't have to type the formula, just use it. The option called as reference. Equal to, you say, click on this value, that is E4, enter. So that should give you the answer here. See, same answer will come here. So now if I change this, instead of 12, if I make it over here 5%, and instead of 5, if I make it here for 15 years, it will show me the calculation that will getting changed. Okay. At the moment, I'm just pressing Ctrl Z to get it back to normal. So instead of you typing it over here, it should show me in this screen over here. This is for 3 years, this is 5 years, this is 10 years, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30 years. And these are different percentage. It is starting from 4% and is going up to 18%. So according to your condition, it should, instead of you typing it over here, it should show me in the screen over here itself. So that is the advantage of data table. So let us see how you can use this. For that, you have to use this formula first. Calculation has to be there. Select from here. This amount is there now. That is E4. Select this full table like this. If you don't select, it will not work. So select this full table as I have selected till here. The entire table of mine. Now you can come over here. Data. There's an option called as what if analysis. Data table. You get two options over here. One is your row input size and one is column. Row input will be your 5, that is loan amount, that is 3, 5. This is your row. Column will be your percentage, this 4% and all these things. So that is this 12%, that is C4. You get a dollar sign. When I click, just say OK. You can see that it is come here. See, if it is 4%, 3 years, that means this is the amount you have to pay. This is for 5 years, 10 years, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this you can see that entire thing is come here. If you want, you can also keep a cell pointer over here on 4%. Click on this option of yours called as view, freeze span and freeze span. So that when I scroll down by mouse, you can get that heading is locked up here. See. So now if I am talking about 12%, see 3 years. Now here because it is written here 5 years, so you can see that it is showing me 5 years you have to pay so much. 2224.44 paisa. If it is 10 years it is 1434.71. 12 years, 15 years, 20, 25, 30. So if whichever percentage you are looking, whatever is the how many years this is the loan amount it will calculate for you. If you want to get it back to normal, don't select the full table like this, otherwise this entire thing will go off. So you just select only the values which is there inside here like this. And then you can just press the delete button from your keyboard. So that will go off. Okay. I'll just press Ctrl Z for the timing. So this is how you can use this option of yours called as data table. If you find this tutorial helpful, give a like, subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.